So it's Saturday, March 5th, and what most of you don't know is that PHONG the fisherman on Facebook is actually my brother. But he doesn't like to claim me because I have all the black anatomy in the Asian family, and some of my body parts are 8 times the size of his.
Wow.
You can tell when I wake up in the morning at 5 or 6 how little my eyes are that I have Asian in me. Hiya! So it only shows when I'm waking up because my eyes are small. But as the day goes on, the blackness comes out and my eyes get bigger. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I can't go fishing. But I can get in my kitchen and make some stir-fried crappie, noodle, sand bass, stir fry, along with some miso soup, because I have to prepare PHONG lunch every day. Y'all don't know this stuff. As my Asian penance, I have to prepare PHONG food every morning, and we don't talk about it, but that's his penance for me being black with 8 times the body part size. Here you go. Take you some fish, put it in a wok. It doesn't matter how you season it in the wok. And you're not cooking it in big pieces. Throw you some butter in there. And just let it cook for a minute. Fuiyoh! Then you throw your vegetables in, along with some noodles. Fuiyoh! Then you throw you some butter in there. You let that come together for a minute after you season it. Fuiyoh! Hi, Taya-san. I'm waking up. And then you slide that out of the way. Crack your 3 eggs into your wok. Stir that around in your wok. Just move your noodles to the side. Then you begin to incorporate it back in. Fuiyoh! Fuiyoh! Egg fried noodle at 5 a.m. Hi, Taya-san. Then remove that with your egg noodles and your eggs, with your fish on the side. Take that off of the wok. I don't just like egg noodles, I actually like rice noodles. So I'm going to incorporate my rice noodles that are drained back into this, but I still got to cook my shrimp. That's what I'm doing now. This is my tofu, because I'm going to make some miso soup. That's my green onions, and that's going to be my pineapple. I like pineapple in my fried rice and in my fried noodles. You make it however you want to make it. This is why I do the shrimp last, and I don't put the shrimp into my dish. Why? Because look at all the moisture in the water that's coming off of the shrimp. I don't want that into my noodles because it's going to make it soupy. So I do my shrimp separate, my fish separate, because this stuff comes out of the water, and along with vegetables it has a lot of water in it. Fuiyoh! PHONG! While your shrimp is doing this thing, you take your miso paste and you put it down. You throw you some miso paste in with some boiling hot water. Stir your miso paste around. Oh yeah.
Oh, miso horny. Oh, miso soup. Me so horny. Me love you, miso soup.
Now your shrimp is rendered down while that water is gone, and you just got the shrimp. I like to do it this way because that shrimp and that water is going to break down and it's going to make that pasty crap down here. I want that for flavor. Let's do it. Now, I take my rice noodles and I'm going to introduce those to my wok. I want those to get just a little brown and crispy on them. I cut my noodles. A lot of people leave their noodles long. I cut my noodles because it looks like a big gigantic glob when you're trying to move it around and you can't move it as much. So I just want them to get a little bit toasty. Now, I throw my regular noodles and vegetables back in. Along with the egg. You got your shrimp and everything in. You got your miso soup doing this thing over there. Throw your fish back in. I'm using crappie and sand bass. Really, at this point, you can turn the wok off because everything is pretty much doing its own thing. Take me some ponzu sauce. Sprinkle that up in there. Then I break it down with some Kung Pao stir fry. Fuiyoh! Finish adding my chives and my tofu outside of the miso paste. With a little bit of cilantro I put in my miso soup. I know that's not commonly put in it, but this is my kitchen. I do what I want to do. So now you got your fried noodle, crappie, sand bass, shrimp, stir fry, along with your
Miso hungry
soup. So you eat what you want to eat. But 6 o'clock in the morning, I might wake up and want shrimp and crappie fried noodles along with miso soup.
Me so hungry.
Fuiyoh! If you could only taste it. PHONG. Fuiyoh! That's my brother. Go your miso soup. Fuiyoh!